For this ordering fractions question, we're going to have to start by making the denominators the same. If you look at all of the three fractions, they have different denominators, therefore we can't really compare them. We can only compare them when the denominators are the same. So we're going to start by identifying the lowest common multiple. That's the biggest number that 2, 5 and 10 go into. So if we go through the multiples of 2, 5 and 10, we shall find a common multiple. 2 goes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Because those are the times tables, that is the 2 times tables, and the 5 is going to be 10, 15, 20 and so on. And then for 10 we're just going to have 10, 20, 30 and so on. Now if we compare the three lists, you can see that 10 is the lowest common multiple. It's the common multiple and it's the first common multiple, so that's the one we're going to use. And now we need to find the equivalent fractions for the three fractions. So that means we need to scale those fractions up so that we can compare them. And we're going to use our list. So we know we have to multiply 1 over 2, the first fraction, by 5, so that we can get the denominator to be 10. So that's going to end up being 5 over 10. The second one we're going to multiply by 2 to make the denominator 10. For the third one we don't need to do anything, so it is 10. So 1 over 2, when we scale up and by multiplying by 5 we get 5 over 10. And when we scale 2/5 up by 2 we get 4 over 10, and then the last one stays the same. And the third step is just to compare the fractions. And comparing the top number, the numerator, and then that will allow us to order them. We can order them because all the denominators are the same. All the fractions are being measured by the same denominator. So 4/10, 5/10 and 7/10. That will be the order from smallest to biggest.